Your Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney local forecast.
It's a pretty nice evening out there. Still a little bit on the warm side though. 82 degrees right now in Hastings. Looking out on our sky cam there as we take a look at Grand Island. Also sitting at 82 degrees and a pretty calm night tonight, but we've got winds out of the south around 10 miles an hour or so. So that's bringing us that warm air that we've been seeing over the past several days. We've been either at or well above average for several days, and it's not going to be changing much from that. Here in the near term of the forecast, we're going to be seeing 90s coming back tomorrow, just like we had today. Then we're not going to have as many calm nights anymore. So tonight we're going to be seeing pretty clear conditions with just a few high-level clouds. But as we head Wednesday into Thursday, we've got another chance for some thunderstorms coming through the area. That'll be spread across most of Nebraska, but then we're going to be seeing several more rounds of heat coming through as we head towards the weekend. 90-degree temperatures Friday through Sunday. So anybody that enjoys that heat, it's your weekend. We're going to have just a slight chance for a few showers on Saturday, a little bit better weather on Monday and Tuesday as we start to cool off a little bit. Starting to feel a little bit more like summer rather than the later part of spring, but it looks like the summer weather in the upper levels of the atmosphere. So we've got about midway through the atmosphere, we've got high pressure off towards our south, really centered off towards Mexico. But look at how much of the country is affected by just this high pressure. That clockwise flow around the high pressure is pushing off the jet stream far north of us, and that's actually why we have a little bit of a severe thunderstorm warning for the Dakotas tonight. And we're going to be seeing a little bit of severe weather over the next couple of days, in fact. But looking right here across the area on the satellite and radar, we see a complex of thunderstorms there in South Dakota and stretching into North Dakota as well. But overnight tonight here in Nebraska, we're going to be pretty calm. We've just got a very weak low pressure system off to our south, and this is going to continue south. This cold front behind me is going to be what drives our weather over the next couple of days. Now, temperatures across the area this evening are mostly in the 70s and 80s. We've got upper 70s along the Interstate 80 corridor there, but just right close to one another, we've got 70s and 80s. So not very much consistency in those temperatures. We've got winds out of the south that's bringing the warmth to the area. We've been seeing that the past day or so. We're going to be seeing the winds around 10 to 15 miles an hour tomorrow. That's going to be warming us up even more. As we look on the futurecast, though, we aren't going to be seeing a whole lot of rain tonight. So it's going to be a pretty calm night, but that will change as we head Wednesday into Thursday. So this is Wednesday night around 7 o'clock. We've got a few showers off towards the eastern I-80 corridor, and that's going to be sparking off a little bit more thunderstorm activity. Then off towards our west, we've got a second round starting to approach the Tri-Cities here in central Nebraska. So this is midnight as we head Wednesday into Thursday. And notice that there's some heavy pockets of rain there. We could be seeing some severe weather with this. There is a slight risk for severe weather. Then as we head to 3 a.m., it's right here in the Tri-Cities, so it's going to be a lot more widespread. Then it starts to dwindle off as we head into Thursday. Thursday will be a little bit cooler, and we will be seeing lighter showers and a little bit cooler temperatures then as well. Looking at our forecast over the next day or so, we've got 80s off to our north as we approach the South Dakota border. That's where we're going to be a little bit cooler, but that's still well above average. 90s and middle 90s for most of our area here across Nebraska. So we're going to be pretty warm for the next couple of days. We do have a few breaks in there, but we will be seeing some severe weather coming up over the next couple of days. So keep it right here on Local 4. We'll keep you informed. Sarah, Spencer?